She get way, so him beat her. But before I continue, ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. You know the drill. Men have feelings. Let me start by saying that. So this man was clearly acting out of anger, fear of, I guess, losing her, shame. But him beat her. Him beat her. She gave away what was hers and him beat her. She did it in his bed in his house, but him beat her. I want you to understand what I'm saying to you. She's not his child. She was and or is his partner. And she did what he didn't want her to do, so him beat her. Again, he was ashamed. Probably is being ridiculed by his peers, so him beat her. I want to take this opportunity to discuss a more deeper concern that we have as a society, where our young men do not understand that emotions does not equate to physical outlet. Yes, you're angry for what she did. She shouldn't have done what she did, but you lost all right the moment you beat her. A relationship, so them probably work it out and they together. So I'm not gonna be on here telling nobody about left this or left that or whatever. Nah. Your actions were wrong. Her actions were also wrong. But the fact that you put your hands on her, you lost your right. Young men, nothing is wrong with feeling. You're allowed to feel. You are a human, just like everybody else. However, you need to learn to control your anger. Control your emotions or find healthy ways to use as an outlet. You do not have a right to hit anyone's child. You wouldn't even beat your child like that. Again, I understand you felt pain and you acted out of that pain and anger. But you do not have a right to hit anyone's child because they hurt you emotionally. But these are just my thoughts. What are yours?